What I eat in a day. As someone who doesn't restrict but still likes to be conscious of what I'm eating and is currently preparing for her second round of IVF. Coffee first always, and I am trying to keep my caffeine intake under 200 milligrams of caffeine, and boy is it hard. For breakfast, I ended up making a yogurt bowl with some vanilla yogurt and the Catalina Crunch cereal and some strawberries and blueberries. I am listening to my hunger cues, and I was feeling a little bit hungry, so I made a piece of avocado toast on some fresh sourdough, and then for lunch, our base was a Taylor Farm salad. If you really like a zhuzhed up salad, but you don't like the effort of having to cut all of those, Taylor Farm salads are great, so I used that, and then I made a wrap with some chicken, and then also had some of the salad on the side. For a snack, I had some of these shameless little peach rings. They were so good. And then for dinner, Wade made chicken tikka masala. And you know, I always end my day with a mini ice cream cone.